Well, health officials were really worried about this time of year as it gets cooler outside. More people are moving inside to do different activities, and it's much easier for the virus to spread inside. But they're also really worried that we're seeing a spike right now ahead of the holidays when we expect a lot more people traveling.
We're going to call on all Oklahomans to take immediate action to slow the spread of the coronavirus.
That message tonight as Oklahoma reports a stunning increase in coronavirus cases. The 7-day average of daily cases has more than doubled since the beginning of the month, especially after more than 4,000 cases were reported on one day this weekend.
The numbers from this weekend add to a continued upward trend that we are monitoring closely. Additional actions will be taken should this trend continue.
Commissioner of Health Lance Fry saying all options are on the table for Governor Kevin Stitt in terms of what to do next.
What should he do, like now?
I don't really know what actions and when, but I definitely know that he's looking at all the different options.
Fry saying he thinks everyone should wear a mask, but it shouldn't be mandatory.
I don't think that a mask mandate, first of all, is enforceable, but secondly, I've had multiple people come up to me and tell me, hey, I'll wear a mask, but don't tell me I have to wear a mask, then I'm not going to do it. I mean, if you're asking, do we have independent people in the state of Oklahoma that believe in their freedom so much that they will do something the opposite that you tell them to do? My answer is absolutely, we do have those people in Oklahoma.
And keep in mind the state's health department's own epidemiology report on Friday showed analysis showing that COVID was spreading more slowly in places in the state that don't have mask mandates compared to places that do. By the way, late today, Governor Kevin Stitt announcing a press conference for tomorrow at 2 p.m. with health officials and Oklahoma Democrats expected to speak tomorrow at 11 a.m. They're expected to call for a statewide mask mandate. As always, we will have it all covered for you. For now in Oklahoma City, Dylan Richards, KOCO 5 News.